Hey everybody, Don Dabney, Left Coast Classics. Thanks for checking out this really beautiful 1950 Ford Club Coupe. And our old client that we've known since the beginning of Left Coast Classics, Ted, has built a lot of cars, but he really has got his pulse on these 50 shoeboxes. He knows exactly how to build them just right, and this is a really cool car. It's definitely the coolest shoebox I've ever seen. It has a fresh 302 with a C4. It has a Maverick rear end, an 8-inch with a 3.0 gearing. It's just beautiful, and it starts right up. Let's give it a go, and it runs perfectly. Just runs so smoothly. Everything's nice. I mean, the steering wheel's all restored, all the chrome inside. The gauges are beautiful. It's got a SunPro water temperature gauge added down below. It's, you know, wipers work, lights work, everything's working here. The horn's been put where the old start button is here. You can see it right there. You can hear that. And it's just great to drive this car. It's tight. The window regulators are all nice and tight. Everything's beautiful in this car. So let's take a little spin, and you can hear it. Headliners, seats, rugs, dashboard, glass, rubber, everything's just super beautiful in here. There's nothing that will disappoint you about this car. I can just tell, like, cruising around too, the gearing is perfect with that Maverick 8-inch rear end and the 3.0 gears. It's perfect for the power of the engine and for the way the car shifts. It's got power brakes. You can see the photos, and later in this video you'll see the underside of the car. You can see the booster underneath the car, the dual exhaust. It's got a beautiful undercarriage. It's very, very clean, very nicely done. It's the kind of car you could take to a show and pop mirrors underneath it. You'd be very proud to show the underside of the car. It's super comfortable to sit in too. You can just really kick back and drive the car and feel nice and comfortable. Seats have all been rebuilt. It's got this really cool, very subtle blue tint on the windows. So though the interior is gray, when you look through the window, it kind of looks like the interior is light blue when the sun hits it. It's just kind of a nice little small touch, and I really like it. Social media sites, our website, leftcoastclassics.com. We've got a killer YouTube channel with hundreds and hundreds of great car videos. We're on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Also check me out on Wheeler Dealers with my buddy Mike Brewer on 2 episodes on the Velocity channel. The most recent one is season 15, episode 8. And I think our first one was, I can't remember if it's season 11 or 12, episode 8 also. That one's a black 57 T-Bird. The most recent one is the Lancia Fulvia. Check those out, and you can always call me about the car. You're welcome to check it out. Whatever you need, give me a call. Get you under this car and check it out. It's just beautiful. So right here you've got a 8-inch Ford Maverick rear end with 3.0 gears. So it's really set up nice to cruise the highway. You can see it's all redone. Everything's been beautifully refinished. Then we have Allied Manufacturing streak exhaust system, dual, coming all the way back. Very nicely done again. And inner rockers, super nice and clean. That's your brake booster right there. Just super, super clean car. You can see the floors have all been redone and finished correctly. New tank, new shocks, springs, suspension, everything's been done under the car. So he's built a lot of cars, and he knows shoeboxes better than anybody I know. So when he builds these cars, he really puts them together beautifully.